ag ordu. And speaking of the verb ordig, dordiamer níos mó té agus cóca. We ordered more tea and cake. Dordiamer níos mó té agus cóca. Moving on to P. Pléigh is the Irish verb to discuss. Pléigh. For example, phléigh siad é. They discussed it. Phléigh siad é. Ag play is a useful verbal noun that means discussing, and it could also be used for talking or chatting. Ag play. Phléigh siad é ag té. They discussed it over tea. Phléigh siad é ag té. Pancóg is the Irish for pancake. Pancóg, something you would be more than likely able to get in a restaurant or a coffee shop. And plódathe means packed or crowded. Plódathe. Moving on to A, ábhairt is a great verb here. Ábhairt. So ábhairt is the Irish verb to look. Ábhairt. Ag ábhairt go maith, looking good. Ag ábhairt ar an míochláir, looking at the menu. Ag ábhairt ar an míochláir. Ag ábhairt hort, looking around